In this video, we're going to show you how to install windshield washer nozzles on your Jeep Wrangler located on the top side of your hood. Once you have your hood open, you're going to find your washer nozzles. There's two of them, one here and one over on the passenger side. Now there's two little plastic retainers here. I'm going to use some pliers and I'm going to gently squeeze this here. And this will actually push up through the top side of the hood once we pinch this. Okay, now with that loose, the next step you normally want to do is you want to try and work the rubber hose off of this here. Now if your vehicle is old, chances are the plastic will break off inside the hose. There is enough of slack here. Take some cutters, feel the tail end of that nozzle, cut it back. We're going to just grab the nozzle and pull it out from the top of the hood. Now you can take the nozzle, we're going to feed that down inside. Make sure that the nozzle or the spray portion is facing the windshield. Push that down inside. You'll feel that lock into place. Take your washer nozzle hose, line that up, and gently work that on. You don't want to wiggle that because you can snap that off. Once that's pressed on, repeat for the passenger side. Once you've done that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.